Achter my pools, the hosse verdala Broer, die skele mis groen Nou vrit in die lood, was ek maak hulle dood Ja, ek trek nou magpijn In die boot met een box wijn Uit en 12 is gaan die land
Place goals to remove the procrastinator, betraying you to put aside your passion. You're on the same page of life's book, pick up the paint, beat the brighter picture. That specific chapter could possibly change your entire story plot. Just be patient and pay attention. There's no need to pull a pistol, pussy. Promise every prayer's gonna push you. Leave plenty of room for improvements of people.
Kwa, ek het hulle lang al gesê. Step ek al, wie my step is, rep ek kapoetier en jealous. Niemand die om my is, pussies is rebels, is manne wat deel sal het. Skarel, nie bang vir ever. Feature met my boeta, get it together. Wanneer is my val af, ek sê hulle never. Nou, dat bro, Kwan is die beste,
Nice.
Yo, it's Tito.
Bro. Coming from the 102.3.9 10.1 Fatno radio station, it's your favorite white body actor. And to
102.3.9 Fatno radio station
today we're listening to an exclusive banger. This is an exclusive banger. One dominational banger. This is a recent track that dropped recently. It's out on Audio Mac. It's called Game Time, or it's called MJ, or the album is called Game Time and the track is called MJ, but it's by the legend, the man, the myth, the legend himself, Jimmy G, and the new, let me say, is the new producer slash rapper in the best known group in South Africa, G5. If you guys don't know who G5 is, nah, go do your research. But anyways, we're going to be reacting to MJ today. This track go. Oh yeah, let me not forget, Zola Koya is on here. This bra is something else as well. This is like one of those bras, ne, that has like hidden schemes. This bra is like also like one of those Owens that's like clever with his schemes in like some of the shit that he says, because he'll like hide something in there that you won't really notice, ne.
Taking the shot.
But you'll see in this track, man, you will see how this track goes. Can't wait for this one, man. Let's check it out from you.
A few moments later.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Sisters, who's laughing like this, bro? This makes me feel like I'm in the theaters watching like the new Batman movie, and the Joker is busy laughing there in the intro, like laughing in the beginning. Yo, I'm going to sound very stupid if the Joker doesn't really laugh in the beginning of one of the Batman movies.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
But who is this laughing? This sounds like Trippy, ne? This sounds like his voice, this, bro. Like this deepness in his voice. I hear this. Nah, it's you, Trippy. I can hear it.
2,000 years later.
Yeah.
Chirizola, this beat already got me pumping like a garden hose, bro.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Got me pumping like in the bloody white people's raves clubs. You gotta pump it up.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You pumping me up with the beat.
Yo, Druppy. Shit, yeah. Hey, I'm at my place. My breakfast different colors. My shoe is blue and black. I choose
What? My breakfast different colors. My shoes is white and black. Wait, what? Did you say breakfast is different colors?
I'm at my place. My breakfast different colors. My shoe is blue and black.
Your breakfast is different colors. What do you mean by your breakfast is different colors? Are you talking about those Fruity Loops that have like all those different like color OTs and stuff now?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Oh wait, I think.
I choosing what to take. I got his baddies on my case. I wrestle when she give me 2 fucks. It's only on the song with MJ. Bitches come and go.
Zola is on a song with MJ. So MJ is a person that's on this track as well. And Game Time is the song's name there. So it's not the album's name. because I've seen a few tracks on Drippy J's Audio Mac page where there's this album cover art, not this chat GPT cock, but the
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
album cover art that's going to show on top, I think it's called, is like shows on most of their like recent tracks. Yeah, this one. So wait.
My niggas keep the taste. How my music tastes. I let my hit go do more scenes. How I see more life in loss. Damn! And I sound like
Sure, what?
when black. I choose on what to take. I got his
Guys.
babies on my case. I wrestle when she give me 2 fucks. It's only a 100 song with MJ. Bitches come and go. I let my niggas keep the taste. How my music tastes.
I let my NIGGAs keep the change. Just as I could, you see, I don't know if that is racist if I had to say that, because you know I have to play a little bit of bingo when I, you know, BINGO when
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
I say the N words, you know, just so I don't seem racist when I'm explaining a track that's got the N word in and I
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
have to mention the N word. He's gonna give his NIGGA's change back because he's a tijdelijke bra. He's saying, nah, bro, it's not gonna rob you or anything, my bro. Away. You see me, né? If I'm the type of person that I appreciate you, I respect you if you give my change back. Not but if it's a 1 rand or 2 rand or something, né? Because that just shows me that like you respect me, né? But my grandparents or my mother or something, when I send them out to the shop and then I'll give them like $50, $100 or something, and then I'll send them in to go buy me this and this and this, and then when they come back, but before they go, I ask them, what do you want and stuff. They say, no, I don't want anything and things. And then they will go there. Then I come back and then there's no change. But then sometimes I'll buy 3 things, Mackies, 30 rands worth with $100. I have no change. Here I go. So I respect it.
Man, I sound like Elon Musk. I let my niggas do the most. I let my features do the most. Features come and go. I let the drip do the most.
Just as he coming with a Xhosa style here, my bro. Saula is coming with a Xhosa style here now. Okay. I wish I was one of those white bras. You know my cousin next door here, ne? He stays in the Wendy house room next door here. He can speak Xhosa and sing Xhosa, and he can't keep a whole
Not every day you see a white guy singing Xhosa lyrics.
conversation with a person, like sentences upon sentences, but if you speak to him, he can make up what you say, because he can speak Xhosa, because he went to some school in Warmer in primary school, so he learned a lot of Xhosa and stuff.
Nice.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
But let me see if I can try and say some of this Xhosa stuff that Solo is going to say. I don't have that touch like that, man. Baganje, ne? High techy, high slamba.
Oh my god! Wow!
I'm gonna go to someone in the street and say, high techy, high slamba. High techy, high slamba is tattoo.
What the fuck? No!
Hi skipper, hi genie, hi ngaza.
Wait. Hi Ngaza. Hi Ngaza. It's also what? Zola, if you're watching this, or anyone that is Xhosa that is watching this, please let me know in the comment sections below. What is Zola saying in here? Because I want to know what does this Xhosa mean translated to English. Because this is interesting, because it sounds hard as fuck. It sounds fucking hard. I'm a white bro, but this Xhosa stuff sounds hard, bro. Who's MJ? If you make a wrong move, dan koppel ons voor MJ. But who's MJ though? So, it's like, I'm not gonna say anything because I feel like MJ is like their secret hitman or something. That's what they say. If you do something wrong, they're gonna phone this bro MJ. And he's not, and they always speak about MJ. Maki's MJ is a secret hitman, bro. In a straight pipe. Yes, sis.
Hi genie, hi ngaza.
Okay, this is game time. Haha. Salute. Yeah, salute game time. We have to give you a flowers, bro, while you're still alive. And if you guys are watching this, game time is actually going to be a rap battling on the 3rd of May in Shorter by the Shorter Hall. For everybody that wants to check out game time, rap battle, and a whole lot of other artists rap battle. Steek uit, man. Only $50 online, ticket 35 online. So steek uit, familia, do what you gotta do, pull through. You know it's going to be a vibe, it's going to be one of those things you don't want to miss. So yeah, game time, I give a lot of respect for you, bro. I have a lot of respect for you, bro. Salute, you are OG, you are a legend, a literal legend.
What are you talking about?
Yo, my team never lose.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
My team never lose. Straight wicker, crying over juice. He's saying his team is never gonna lose, bro. Nobody that you crying over that you don't have like the rank in the industry and Bowens, my bro. My team is still never gonna lose. We might fall and all of that, but we're never gonna lose. Ons weet sy is 'n enemy. What?
That's a felony, all you see is fucking RIP, just let it be.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Oh, this is what I don't know what to say to that song, like, bro. Cause this is literally like a crime scene. This track is literally like a crime scene onto a beat, my bro. So I'm not gonna say anything to that one. You guys hear, but I'm excited that Jimmy G is back into the scene. That he's actually dropping music. I'm excited for that one. I can't wait for his album to drop so I can actually hear Jimmy G once again, bro. Because Jimmy G is one of those OGs that should never be forgotten. Okay, so the juice.
That's a felony, All you see is fucking out like we just let it be.
Yeah, the gunshot in the beat also, my bro. Yeah, my bro. This is the Jimmy G that I know, my bro. This is the Jimmy G that I know and love, that I grew up listening to, bro. There, I can finally say Jimmy G is finally back. Jimmy G is finally back. This is a nah. Before we say this is certified banger, it's a certified banger. Nah, this is a certified banger for the books. Jimmy G is back, boy.
2,000 years later.
Joe, elke track maak jou magpyn in die booth met 'n boksfyn. Just I don't know if that is meaning what I'm thinking, but you know, when you like actually like vibe into a track, you know, and you're busy dancing and all of that, and you're drinking and blocking and stuff, your stomach's gonna start getting sore because you keep on moving around, dancing and partying and shit while you're busy listening to this man's track. Now this man saying every track that you listening to of him is going to make you magpyn.
No, God! No, God!
All that is from the crime scene that is busy spreading on this track.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Vote 1812, by the way. Everybody that's watching this, vote 1812. They're actually trying to do something in the northern areas, trying to make the northern areas a better place. So vote 1812, mense.
It's a felony, all you see is fucking like we just let it be. No static, squat. No fridge in the loot, was ik makkelijk doe ik. Ja, ik trek nou magpijn. En die boot met een blokspijn. 1812 gaan die landpijn. Ondergrond is een landmijn. Ja, ik loop van pijn. Mijn kop volgt een stoomtrein. Ja, ik heb een sick brain. Voor rappers maak ik die game klein. Ja, maak je even zak. Als ik er binnen van is, dan ben ik 15 keer de bak.
Just if I take my pen, I put it. This is Jimmy. Jimmy. Jimmy made me excited now for the night, me bro. Nah, you're gonna make me wanna go write me now tracks, bro. As soon as I'm done here, I'm gonna go write me a track, bro. Just.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
This is Jimmy G, my bro. Nah, this is the Jimmy G that I know. Holy shit. freestyle sonder 'n notepad. Oh yes. Oh yes. That's what I said. I know those Owens I can freestyle strictly off the dome. And Jimmy also wys mos in that Levi Strauss reaction that I did, where Levi Strauss freestyle. I know Jimmy G like got influenced or something by there, and I know they probably had a freestyle session that wasn't like on camera or on the mic or anything. I know that for a fact because of that freestyle. Yeah.
Finally!
Yes. Ons is hier, massacre from the 102.9 111 Fatno radio station.
102.3.9 111 Fatno radio station.
Ons is hier, massacre.
Keep up on my shoulders. Separate the Red Sea like Moses. I know this my roller. It's misunderstood.
Choo. I separate the path I separate the Red Sea like a Moses. He's meaning like he's paving the path like he's Moses, my bro. And a lot of he's paving paths like he's Moses, but people don't see that, bro, because everyone's misunderstood with him. People don't really know the Jimmy, don't really see like Jimmy for who he really is. They just see this like the image that people hear in Bowens, my bro. They don't know Jimmy. A lot of men are like that, bro. Everybody believes what they hear, but when you meet the person, they're always different. Everybody, literally everybody is not like you, yeah. Everybody is a misunderstood person. Nobody is a fully understood person. Not even your best friend fully understands you. Let's see like Moses. Ha 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 ha. Oh yeah. Shout out Game Time from the 102.9 111 Fado radio station. Gima second.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Sure, I must say that was definitely a banger for the books. I must say that was a banger for the books. I still wish I knew what Zola said in that Xhosa parts because I'm a white bro. I don't know what Xhosa. I don't understand Xhosa or speak Xhosa. I know a few words, but it's the words that you guys are not gonna like me say because you guys are gonna get offended that I'm swearing you or something. I only know the swear words in Xhosa. But I must say, I'm not sure if this is part of the album of Drippy J and Zola, like a deluxe album, because I have been seeing this track cover on a few tracks already that's been posted like recently. So I'm not sure if this is like a deluxe album or it's just Drippy J's album or Zola's album. But yeah, I must say this was a banger and I'm glad to see that Jimmy G is back onto the scene and he's back like he's never left, bro. This man is hungry again. He's hungry for that crown again, bro. I can see that shit. The G5 Jimmy G, ne? From 2014, 2015, 2013, 2007, Sir Dart, my bro. This bro, Jimmy G is back. He's back. And this track, bro. This track, I'm gonna download this track, bro. I'm gonna download this track. Everybody that's watching this, I'm going to leave the official link of this track in my description below for each and everybody to check out. And each and everybody that's watching this, that's an artist that wants me to react to their music video or audio that's out on YouTube, please join the WhatsApp group that's in my description below as well. So you can plug all your links and spam all your latest links and just keep me updated with your shit. And then I'll do what I gotta do and react to it. But yeah, that was definitely a certified banger for the books, massacre. Just as a certified banger for the books, massacre. But yeah, I can't wait to check you guys in the next one. That was D-Dog the GOAT. Brah.
Ik heb de beats in mijn bed en ze smeert me van 6, 7. Slaan rechter die bank, al het zank en alle brand van mijn flames. Je gaat tegen me die plank, zand, wanneer ik al lang in die game. Paars goede in die grond, dus ik laat hij naar je toe step. 7 mijn doos, 7 moves, aan met zoes. Droom gaat ik mix die box aan met die juice. Die